In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset the GitHub password. So let's see how we can do this thing. I forgot my password, so I need to reset the password. So to reset the password, at first we need to come to this website github.com, and then we need to click this sign in button. Once you click sign in button, it will give you this type of prompt where you need to type the username and password. But I forgot my password, so I'm going to choose this option, forgot password, and very shortly it will open like this. Here we need to add the email address, so I'm going to type my email address. So once we type the email address, then we need to verify this thing by clicking this button. There is a puzzle, so here it is showing that my picture I need to arrange like this way, that direction basically. So this is the perfect match. Once you match, then you have to scroll and you have to press the submit button, and very shortly it will be submitted. And once it is done, then it will give you this button enabled. So we just need to press this button, send password reset email, and very shortly we'll get on email on our inbox. So I'm going to open my mail and I'm going to click here inbox, and here is that thing, please reset your password, reset your GitHub password here. So it is giving me the link. What I'm going to do, I'm going to right click and I'm going to choose open copy link. I'm going to choose copy link, and then I'm going to open the browser, and then I'm going to open a new tab and I'm going to paste it over there, and then hit return key. And very shortly it is giving me to set the password, and here it is mentioning that my password should be 15 characters long, or at least 8 characters including numbers and a lowercase letter. Okay, so I'm going to type the password. So once I type the strong password, then we have to press the change password button, then it will be saved, and here it is showing your password set successfully. Now we can log in with our updated username and password, and that's it. In this way we can easily reset the GitHub password